Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a low calorie healthy paratha recipe which is very quick to make. The ingredients list required for this dish is given in the description box below. Do check it out. So let's jump right in. So in a bowl I've taken wheat flour, gram flour and salt. I've also got some grated carrot, chopped spinach and some chopped green chilies. You can make a paste out of the green chilies as well, and I've used some room temperature curd. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients together. So in goes all the vegetable and the curd, and I'm going to just mix up everything. Now let's add a little water and then make it into a soft dough. Make sure you add water gradually because the vegetables will have its own water content, so we don't want the dough to become too loose. So just make it into a chapati dough like this. I've taken a peda out of it, dusted it in some wheat flour, and then I'm going to roll it into a small round like this. Now fold it into a semicircle and roll it once again. Then fold it once again and make it into a triangle. Now keep rolling it into a medium-sized paratha. So the paratha is ready now. Let's put it on the hot tawa and cook it from all sides. I'm going to add a very little amount of oil since we are making this healthy, and then cook it from both sides. So you can see the brown spots have appeared. Just cook it until it's done from both sides. And the paratha is ready to be served. You can serve this with some raita. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.